Today, we're building a cool sound-activated LED using Arduino. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need: a microphone sensor module, an Arduino Uno, Arduino programming wire, connecting jumper wires, a breadboard, an LED, a 220 ohm resistor. Follow the circuit diagram for connections. Now head over to the Arduino IDE. The code will read input from the sound sensor and light up the LED when sound is detected. After uploading the code to your Arduino, you're ready to test. Try clapping near the sensor or making a sound. The LED should light up right away. It's a fun and simple example of how sensors can interact with the environment. If you enjoyed this project, give it a like, subscribe to Octathorn Tech, and hit the bell icon for more beginner-friendly electronics projects.